So no, I have seen Kiran Majumdar Shaws and Mohandas Pais and many more people also have the apprehensions as regarding this Kannadiga's job, this one quota into the industries. So there has been a little confusion. One, the Kannadigas in Karnataka, their interests are paramount. They should get the jobs. It's paramount. At the same time, industries issues also will be addressed. So there is a confusion. Wherever there is skill, wherever there is talent, wherever there is administrative this one. So wherever there is an equal opportunity, both are on the same footing. There it was an advisory thing, what was addressed told by Mr. Mohammad Mohsin, but there has been a confusion. We will resolve this confusion in the interest of Kannadigas also, as well as let industries, IT companies do not have fear, including Kiran Majumdar or Mohandas Pai. Our Chief Minister, myself, IT Minister, then Law Minister, Labour Minister will all sit with the Chief Minister and resolve the issue so that it won't affect, number one, Kannadigas, the job opportunities. At the same time, it will not have any adverse effect on the companies or IT companies. I am assuring Kiran Majumdar Shaw, Mohandas Pai, and all of the people who have shared their apprehensions, it will be resolved by the Honorable Chief Minister amicably.
Will there be
in the interest of this one? We will have a meeting tomorrow. I have already spoken to the ACS of the Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Ati. So tomorrow maybe we will be discussing with this one and we will find out a way.
One side Kannadigas are welcoming this move, sir. Other side
No. You see, both of the people see it will be a win-win situation for both Kannadigas as well as industries.
You usually
both will be. Their interest will be protected.
Especially when it comes to you, sir, you speak about the globally, how we can be open for many things. But these kind of decisions...
No, there are sometimes, some misunderstandings, some clarifications are needed. That will be done.
It will be clear, sir.
It should be resolved happily.